Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we bring to you the newest products out there, open them up, show you what's in the box, and then what do we do then?
So if one of you guys, we're going to give it away to one of you guys. If you're able to like, comment, and subscribe, one of you lucky guys are going to be able to win this piece.
Yep. And my name's Mike Hurwitz. I'm here with Dow Technology. I'm the SSM manager for the 12-volt team. And with me I have...
And my name is Josh. I'm the account manager for East Florida.
Yep, and I know we've got a lot of returning people. We see people on the show comment every time repeatedly, but if this is new for you, welcome to it. And again, like Josh says, like, comment, subscribe, definitely goes a long way for vendors like Planet Audio. That's what we brought today to give these products away to you. So what Planet Audio piece did you bring, Josh?
So today we're going to have the P90CPA. This is a really awesome piece. It's going to have a floating 9-inch display. And with the most awesome part, it's going to have single DIN mounting. So there's going to be a ton of applications you guys are able to install this into.
Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at the box here first. Definitely in a retail box packaging, not like your generic one, but looks good. Shows the radio on there, all the specs on the back like you would expect.
It definitely looks high quality. One thing I also wanted to mention on the front was the bottom buttons, you are able to change some of the colors on them.
Change illumination. So that's definitely nice. Trying to match it to all the other buttons in your car.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's see. It looks like a bag of goodies.
Yep. On this one, looks like we're just going to have the harness, some of the ISO mounting options, and looks like you're going to come with a healthy amount of screws as well. You're going to have your Bluetooth mic in there as well.
Okay. What's this thing here?
You're going to have the manual, which also is going to come with the warranty as well. So this is a pretty awesome piece about the Planet Audio stuff. So it's going to be a 1-year if you sell it over the counter, but you actually have a 3-year if you guys install it additionally.
And that's one of the reasons we brought in Planet to Dow Technologies. This is our first year with Planet Audio, but not only the warranty and the service, but also profitability for our independent retailers. And it's a rock solid piece. Let's take a look at it here. There you go.
Now look at that face. It's going to be a beautiful 9-inch, and this, I don't know if you guys are able to see on the back of here, but this actually comes on a ball mount as well.
Let's pull it out there and take a look at it better close on it.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be too bad. There you go.
Yeah. So you have the perfect knob. I know a lot of guys, they prefer an actual button on there, but this one actually has the knob, so it's going to have, for those customers that prefer the touch and feel on the bigger screen. And on the back, as you see, you have this this ball mount back here, and it plugs right into the back.
Let me take a look at it. Definitely feels very quality made. You see a lot of the newer cars with the tablet type radio in it. It looks like a factory piece on it. So
I know, yeah. This
definitely
does.
neat.
It's a really awesome piece.
Let's see what else we got in here. What else we got? Looks like that's it.
And this piece feels very solid as well. Looks like we're gonna have front camera input as well, in addition to microphone.
Okay, I thought it was a rear camera, so it also has front camera. That's good to know.
So it's gonna have front camera and it's gonna have rear camera. Additionally, you have the plug for the mic jack, and also you have a USB charging port, and also looks like the main CarPlay and Android Auto charging port. So make sure you guys always plug into the correct one. On the back, looks like you're going to have your 3 sets of RCAs, which is pretty awesome, the standard video connection. And also, additionally, this looks like this actually comes with a cage.
The cage, yeah, we were wondering about that.
Yep, not a lot of floating radios use the cage. A lot of them are ISO mount, but this one's pretty cool, so this actually comes with the cage.
And I think also on there it has steering wheel controls, and it also has aux in, right?
Yep.
That's what I was reading on. I was just checking on.
Yep.
You can see if we zoom in on there.
Looks like this specific one, it might be on the actual harness itself for the steering wheel controls. Yeah, yep, here it is. Steering wheel controls are going to be in the harness itself, so instead of the actual unit.
So definitely a quality piece. You know, if you haven't tried out one of the Planet Audio pieces, definitely try one out. Get one in your hands. You'd be surprised on how nice they are. A lot of the feedback we get from our retailers is on how fast it starts up and how easy to use the user interface on it, which makes it very, very nice when you're selling it to customers and they want something that's just easy and works.
They've done studies, 60% of the time it works every time.
So what are we going to do with this one, Josh?
So like I said, we're going to give this away to one of you guys. Remember to make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll choose one of you guys to get this piece.
Yes, just on the comment section, put a way for us to identify you. So shop name, your name, account number, whichever way we can get in touch with you. And who do we thank for this one?
So this one we're gonna thank Naveed and Greg.
Yeah, we
Thank
appreciate you
for
guys.
playing audio. Thank
Yeah,
you.
we appreciate it, so we can give it away. What else we got? That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.